Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel once again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unblur stuff on Course Hero without needing an account. So this is using this app, which is called Course Hero++. And essentially, this is an app that you can get on any of your mobile devices. And it's basically a tweak. So essentially, it allows us to unblur everything on the app without even needing an account. You can just go ahead and simply use it. So guys, before I show you how to do it, make sure you go ahead and hit that like button. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. With that aside, let's go ahead and get started with today's tutorial. So guys, as you can see how many unlocks we have on this, and it's pretty much impossible to run out of as many. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get it on both iOS and Android devices. It's super simple to do this. It's using this app called Course Hero++, as you can see, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can get it. But before we move on with the video, I'm just going to go ahead and actually delete it from my device so I can show you exactly how to install it. So let's go ahead and delete it. Now, in order to install it on any iOS and Android devices, which is very simple to do, what we have to do is first of all go ahead and make sure that the devices we're trying to do this on are actually ready for that. Now, what I mean by that, I'm going to show you in a second. All we have to do is go ahead and make sure of a few settings on both of our devices so we are sure that we can actually install the ++ version of this app. All we have to do for that is go ahead and open up settings on our iOS device and simply scroll down until we see this option, which is called Safari. So just go ahead and scroll down all the way until you see Safari and simply open up Safari settings. Once you're under the Safari settings, just go ahead and scroll down once again until you see Clear History Website Data. Just go ahead and click on it and click on that. Now, what this is going to do is basically clear off all the logins for the old version of the Course Hero. Just go ahead and make sure you do that. Now, once it's done, the next thing we're going to do is make sure this block all cookie option is disabled and it's not enabled. Just make sure it's exactly like this. Once it's done, just go ahead and exit out those settings. And that's all we have to do to prepare the iOS devices. I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can do this on Android devices. So in case you're using any Android device, all you have to do is go ahead and open up your settings and simply scroll down until you see the battery settings. So just go ahead and scroll down until you see battery. Once you see battery, just go ahead and click on it. So once you're under the battery settings, what you have to do is go ahead and make sure this option right there, it's basically set to off. Now on some Android devices, this option may not exist. If that's the case, you don't have to worry about it. But if you have the option, just go ahead and make sure all of this is disabled. Now this is important just to be sure, like it basically suppresses application installation, power saving mode. So we have to go ahead and make sure this is disabled. Now I'm going to go ahead to there, just go ahead and click on search and search for Course Hero. So as you can see, we have the Course Hero right there. Just go ahead and click on it and click on start. Now what this is going to do is basically start adding all the files, start essentially collecting all the files that had to be added on the device to get the app. So it's going to be super simple to do. I'm going to show you in a second. So let's just wait for this to happen real quick. This basically means everything went successfully, and all you have to do now on any iOS version which is below 13, you'll have to go ahead and restart the device. Anything over that you can just lock and essentially unlock, and you will see the app added on the device. Just go ahead and move it to the other page. Now, one thing I do want to mention is that since you saw that it showed me two of those things, and now you're going to have to do all of them that it basically asks you to do. I already had the second one. That's why I just went through on the first. So that's going to be pretty simple. That's how easy it is to get it. If you have any questions regarding this whole thing, just go ahead and let me know down in the comments. And also, if it ever stops working, I'm just going to go ahead and update it in the comment section. So make sure you do check it before you actually attempt to do it. And with that, guys, that's going to be the end. I'll see you in the next one.